Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here let's scroll to find sound and vibration. Then let's tap on the ringtone. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the online ringtones from which we can choose. But of course, if you do not want to choose something from those options, you've got pre-installed ones, like here. Just tap on it, tap on the ringtone, and there you've got pre-installed ringtones or local ringtone. It's up to you. You can choose something from those options. A local ringtone means that you will have to choose from the files which you, for example, downloaded from the internet or recorded yourself. Alright, so in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to find it and tap on it. So let me choose maybe those calm ones, and maybe what kind of love. Simply tap on it to listen and to actually decide whether you like it or not. You can check all of other options, and basically if you decide that you are okay with this one, you want to apply it, simply tap on this bell icon and tap on OK. Your device will have to download it, so be aware that you have to have the internet connection. And now it will be applied. Let's go back to the sound and vibration section, and as you can see, under the ringtone we've got the name of the ringtone, so the what kind of love, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.